Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can perform sorting in Excel. And this can be useful when you've been provided a workbook for your analysis and there are specific columns that you want sorted either in ascending order or descending order or using any conditional format. And that's just what we are going to see here. So in this very workbook, we have various sheets. The first sheet is for original data, which is totally unsorted. All these other sheets are also unsorted, but you can see that in the next sheet, we are going to demonstrate how we are going to sort from low to high, the next from high to low, and finally using multiple columns. So for us to sort from low to high, the first thing we are going to do is to select which part of the columns we want to sort from low to high. So in my case, is the salary column. So I'll just select this C1, then come to my home tab, then this down arrow key under editing, click on it, then I have sort A to Z, and that's what I will click. So if I click it, you can now see I've sorted it from the low to the highest using this salary column. Okay. Then the next is from high to low. In this case, I want to use my employee column. So I will just click on this employee, which is A1, then still home. Under editing, select sort and filter, and then Z to A. Once you click on this, you can now see it has sorted from highest to the lowest. Okay. And then finally, I want to show you how you can sort using multiple columns. So in this very sheet now, I want to sort using multiple columns. And the first column I want to sort by is this department column. And this department column, I want to sort it in descending order. In ascending order, I mean, that's from low to highest. Okay. So what I will do is after doing that, the function should also sort salary from high to low. Okay, so this one will be from low to high. Then next, this one will be sorted from high to low. So I will just click on any cell that is inside here and then come to sort and filter, then select custom sort. So here I want to, where I have my column, I will select the column I want to sort by. In my case, it's department. So I click on this department and then sort on the value, okay? Because we have option to sort by color, whether font or cell, conditional formatting, but in our case, we are just looking at for values. Then we want to sort from A to Z. That's for this department, as I told you before. Then to add for salary, we just come to this add level, click on it. So we sort by department and then we are going to sort by salary. But in case of our salary, which is also self values, we want to sort from highest to lowest. So that is largest to smallest. And then we now click on OK. So when you do that, you can see that the department is sorted from low to high. So you can see F comes before I. So our finance department comes, then HR, and then IT. And you can see here for the finance, each of them is now sorted from high to low. So 55 will come before 48, 62 before 50, 75 before 68, and so on. And that's just what I want to show us in this very video. And I hope you were able to find this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like the video, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.